Hello and welcome to today's lecture. Today we are going to revise all of the single vowel sounds and open our practice with these sounds. Okay, and a few extra things to remember. So first, remember that practice is open. You can exercise your muscle any way that you want. Alright? So this is important. Don't think you must exercise your muscles only in one way. So, for example, I taught you to go from the left to the right. For example, I, u, u. Alright? But you can also do it from right to left and go backwards. So, u, I. Alright? I've shown you also from top to bottom, but please, I've only shown you this in the beginning, in the introduction. Alright? We haven't practiced it like this. Alright? But, for example, you can go I, a. And then the opposite is true as well. You can go the other way. I. Okay? Sorry. I. Alright. So, let's practice it from top to bottom. Alright? So the first column will be I, a. So again, I, a. Alright. The second column would be I, a. I, a. I, a. So if you look at your mouth, I, a. Okay, it opens a little bit more every time. Okay, the next column number 3 would start with U, and then continue to U, 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 Next one, A, U, A, U, A. Alright. Last one, column number 4. Oo, O, O. Okay, so oo, O, O. Oo, O, O. Oo, O, O. Alright. So, this is the end of the single vowel sounds. I want you to practice this, but remember that some sounds are easier than other sounds, and this is because of your muscles already, and this is because of your first language. Your first language has muscle preference, okay, and you need to exercise the English preference to improve your accent, okay. So, a true test of this is taking two sounds that are difficult for you and pronouncing them except changing the sounds. Now, an example of this is walk, work, walk, work, work, walk. Okay, so the two different sounds, and o. Walk, work. Alright. And you can do this with any sounds. It's not important. You can say talk, or Turk, talk, Turk, shork, shirk. It doesn't need to be a real sound. It's just exercising your muscles. Okay, that's it. Alright, so tonight, please, I want you to do the 10 times practice with the columns. Alright? I want you to repeat it every day this week and really exercise your muscles. Okay, that's it. Happy studies.